Fins up, Margarita peeps. Hey, it's Heather Denaro, and I'm stopping by to let you know what we know now about the Phase 3 update. Stay tuned. So the new news on Phase 3 is that it's going to be released in 3 segments. So you're going to have Release A, Release B, Release C. In Release A, they are going to be trying to do as much as they can with those who were in the lottery. So the lottery was only for Phase 2, but they've tried to kind of carry it over for just a little bit based on how few of the larger lots that were available for Phase 2. So they're not promising anything to anybody, but if you were in the lottery, then the Release A will hopefully find you in a good place and you'll be able to jump in if you have a lottery number. If you don't feel bad. Basically what's happening is in Release B and Release C, it's gone to, first come, first serve. And that brings us to your VIP list. So if you have already gone through with the VIP list and we're already in the update portions, then you're going to be in good standing. And basically what that's doing is, of course, that's not a guarantee, but it keeps you top of mind for the reps and it allows them to know who's super serious. If you have not done your VIP portions yet, go ahead and just contact me, let me know if you're super serious about being able to get into Latitude Margaritaville Watersound, and I'll let you know what that process is. Additionally, Phase 3 is not going to begin at the end of Phase 2. Minto USA is doing their best with building into what will work for them to scale up. And the plan is right now to go ahead and add more superintendents. And so the building will begin sooner rather than later. So it's not going to back up into June of next year after Phase 2. It's actually going to be beforehand. We just don't know exactly when yet. So that's really good news and I wanted to share that. Awesome news about Phase 3. If you have any questions or any comments or anything, look in the description below, put a comment down there. I've got more links available. Look at some of the other videos and watch, because the next video is about an update on the amenities. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.